In this video, I'm going to provide a brief tutorial on how to use our meal planning software. So there are several different ways you might encounter our recipes. One may be inside of a meal plan if you purchased one of our meal plans, or you may just be accessing a recipe from our blog and database of recipes. So either way, you have several different options once you're inside the recipe. So the first and probably most significant is to add it to your shopping list. Now, here's a recipe here that I've already added to my shopping list, and when you do that, you'll see that the shopping cart is grayed out and you see a little pop-up here. And once you add it to the shopping list, then you can simply click on my shopping list at any time to go into your shopping list. So far I've just added the sizzling garlic shrimp, and that's it. And you'll notice that it will typically default to 4 servings. However, we provide you with a lot of flexibility where you can simply change the serving size, and you'll notice that the ingredient amounts change accordingly. So it gives you a lot of flexibility. And if you live in an area that uses the metric system, you can simply select metric. So again, this is the shopping list, and it so far contains 1 recipe. So now I'll go into another recipe, and the shopping cart is not grayed out, and it says add to shopping list. So I'll go ahead and add it, and you'll notice that it grayed out. I'll go back to shopping list and refresh. And now you'll notice that the second recipe is in your shopping list. And what the tool does here is combines any common ingredients. So for example, if both of these recipes needed alfalfa sprouts, it would combine the amounts into 1 line item on your shopping list. Okay, so now we've created our shopping list, and we can do a couple of things from here. We can print the shopping list and print the menu. So first I'll print the shopping list, and that just basically creates a web page and then also a pop-up to allow you to print it. And then you can go ahead and print it. Very straightforward. But here is the shopping list itself. The other option is to print the menu. And the difference with the menu is that it contains both the shopping list and a list of the recipes with instructions themselves. So you have both of those options as far as printing. Then the third major option you have within your shopping list is to click this Get Ingredients button, and depending on where you live, you will get a pop-up to enable you to order some or all of the ingredients through an online service such as Amazon or potentially a local delivery service. So you have that available to you, and it's just another time-saving feature within all of the tools that you have available to you. And finally, I'll just show you a few other pieces of information inside of an individual recipe. So number 1 is you're able to change the servings within the recipe itself in addition to, or as an alternative to, the shopping list, and also switch between metric and imperial measurements. And in many of our recipes, we have step-by-step instructions. They all have step-by-step instructions, but many of them contain images. And then all of the recipes contain nutrition facts, so you can see exactly the nutritional value of the given recipe. And then we always encourage and invite you to share the recipes. We'll have some more sharing icons on here soon, and with their appropriate graphic logos. So that is essentially it. It's very simple and straightforward, but it will save you lots of time. If you have any questions about how to use this tool, please feel free to email info@lisashanken.com. That's info@lisashanken. Happy cooking.